A modern vehicle can tell a technician that something failed and still withhold what is needed to finish the repair. Reading a diagnostic trouble code is only the first step.
The technician may need a wiring diagram, service bulletin, live sensor data, test procedure, software file, calibration routine, special tool specification, or permission to pair a replacement module. Right to repair debates are really about access to that chain.
The vehicle owner may want a dealer, independent shop, fleet technician, or qualified do-it-yourselfer to diagnose and repair the same machine. Access also has to respect security. A function that programs keys or changes immobilizer settings should not be open to an anonymous person with a laptop. The useful design separates legitimate repair access from unrestricted control through authenticated technicians, owner consent, logged actions, and narrowly scoped permissions. Information has a timing problem, too. A service manual released years after the vehicle enters the road does not help the shop facing the fault today. As vehicles become more software-defined, repair includes firmware compatibility, post-repair calibration, and proof that safety systems still operate correctly. The issue is not whether every repair should be easy. It is whether a qualified person chosen by the owner can obtain the current information, tools, and secure authorization needed to complete it.